In a government commissary, the price of 3 eggs is 16 pesos and 50 cents. At this rate, how much is 2 dozen eggs? Okay, so this is just a simple direct variation. So we'll just use a ratio and proportion for this. So the price of 3 eggs is 16 pesos and 50 cents. So we put this into column. So the amount, so I'll just write the peso sign. So we have 16 pesos and 50 cents. That is 3 eggs. Okay? So 3 eggs. So I'll write E on this column. So we have 3 eggs is equal to amount to 16 pesos and 50 cents. So at this rate, how much is 2 dozen eggs? So when we say 2 dozen, so that is 1 dozen is 12 pieces. So 1 dozen, that is equal to 12 pieces. So therefore, 2 dozen is 2 times 12. So we have 24 pieces of eggs. So the question is, how much? So let's put N to this. Now we set up the proportion. So we can use fraction form or colon form. Okay, so let's use colon form. So we have 16, 50. Okay, so 1650. So we have 1650 is to 3 equals N is to 24. Okay? So now apply the rule in ratio and proportion. So just multiply the means. The product of the means, we have 3N equals the product of the extreme, 1650 times 24. So 24 times 1650. So let's divide first by 3 before multiplying this. Okay? So let's divide first because 24 is divisible by 3. Okay, so divide both sides by 3. Therefore, the value of N is 24 divided by 3. That is equal to 8. So just multiply 8 and then 16 multiplied to 1650. So therefore, the value of N is, so let's do this manually, 1650 times 8. So 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 5, 40, carry 4. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 4. So we have 52. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 5. We have 13. Count the number of decimal places, 1, 2. So we have 1, 2, put the decimal point here. So therefore, the answer is 132 pesos. The correct answer is letter D. Follow me for more content like this.